I woke up at the rest stop in Pennsylvania, and I was completely stuck in snow. The truck wouldn't move. I couldn't leave. I waited there 3 long hours. Finally, the roads opened enough for me to roll. I got back on the 81 South, thinking I was finally in the clear. But when I reached I-380, it was closed, completely shut down. We had no choice. They made us do a U-turn, go back the way we came, jump onto I-24, then take I-78 east all the way down. Mile after mile, snow, traffic, exhaustion. And that's how I finally made it to Newark, New Jersey. That's where the trip ended.